What if I told you that for every dollar you spend on email marketing, the average return is $36? That's like handing the cashier a crumpled dollar bill and getting a steak dinner, a drink, and a dessert back. Now, compare that to your latest Facebook post. 3 likes, one from your mom, one from your cousin who still thinks Forex trading is a career, and one from a bot who wants to sell you sunglasses. Not exactly scalable. Here's the truth. Social media is rented land. One algorithm tweak and you vanish. But your email list, that's your house. You own it. You control it. And done right, it prints money. In this episode, I'm going to make email marketing stupid simple. You'll learn what a CRM actually is, how to build a list without buying spam, the exact structure of your first revenue generating email, simple automations that work while you sleep, and subject line tricks that make people actually click open. By the end, even if you've never sent an email in your life, you'll know exactly how to turn a blank inbox into a sales machine, right? So what the heck is email marketing? Let's get the basics straight. Email marketing is not you sitting in Gmail copying 200 people into the CC line and typing, "Dear valued customer." That's not marketing. That's harassment. And also a one-way ticket to the spam folder. Real email marketing uses software to send messages to people who actually signed up to hear from you. That keyword is important. Signed up. They gave you permission. It's the difference between asking someone out on a date versus just showing up at their house uninvited with a pizza. Think of email marketing as passing notes in school, except this time you've got software doing it for you so you don't get caught. And the notes don't look like they were scribbled on loose leaf paper. Why should you care, right? Because social media is rented land. If Instagram crashes, your 5,000 followers are gone. If TikTok gets banned, your content is toast. But if you got those same 5,000 people on an email list, you can still reach out to them tomorrow. You can still sell, still communicate, still grow. Email is the asset you actually own. And let's not forget the return. Again, for every dollar spent, $36 comes back. I don't know about you, but I've never had a stockbroker, a real estate agent, or a slot machine in Vegas give me that deal. Email marketing is not dead. It's alive, profitable, and the one tool most business owners ignore until it's too late. So what is a CRM and why do we need one? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Manager, which sounds like something your HR department made up, but really is just software that keeps track of your customers and automates communication. Imagine trying to run your business with sticky notes all over your desk. One says email Bob, another one says invoice due, another one says don't forget to call that lead. That's chaos. And up in there. A CRM is like a giant organized sticky noteboard that actually does things for you. It remembers your customers. It keeps tracks of who bought what. And it can send emails or texts without you lifting a finger. Think of it like hiring an assistant, except this assistant doesn't take lunch breaks, doesn't gossip with coworkers, and won't quit because this isn't their passion. Choosing your first CRM. Don't overthink this. Picking your first CRM is like buying your first car. You don't need a Ferrari. You need something reliable that won't break down on the way to the grocery store. Good beginner CRMs are MailChimp. It's easy, free to start. Personally, what I use. Constant Contact. That's popular with small businesses. HubSpot free version, which is great for learning. And ConvertKit. Simple and creator friendly. MailChimp is basically the Toyota Corolla of CRMs. Reliable, not flashy. Gets the job done. Start there. Once you grow, you can upgrade to fancier tools or not. I have not ever upgraded. The important part is starting. Don't spend 6 months comparing features while competitors are actually building their list, which we have to build a list first, right? Here's where most rookies screw up. They think, I'll buy a list of 10,000 emails and start blasting people. That's like buying friends. They don't like you. They don't trust you. And they're not buying from you. Also, you'll get flagged as spam and ruin your email reputation faster than you ruined your liver in college. The right way is to use a lead magnet. That's something valuable you give away in exchange for an email. Like if you own a restaurant, a free appetizer coupon. If you run a dog grooming shop, 5 ways to keep your dog from smelling like a dumpster. If you're Perch Merch, top 10 promo products that don't suck. People sign up for this stuff because they want it. You're helping them. Make it simple. Make it valuable. Make it something your audience actually wants. Then promote it. Put it on your website. Share it on social media. Hand it out at events. When people sign up, they're not random strangers. They're qualified leads. They're telling you, yes, I want to hear from you. Here's the truth. Your subject line, though, matters more than the email itself. If they don't open it, the rest is worthless. A bad subject line would be September newsletter. That's not good. Nobody's opening that. A better one, your free appetizer coupon is inside. A great one, stop smelling like a dumpster. Dog grooming tips inside. When you write emails, keep it short. Imagine you're texting a friend. Nobody wants to read a novel in their inbox. Use short sentences. Break up your text. Keep it light. And here's the big one. Don't sell too hard, too fast. If your first 5 emails are buy my stuff, people are gone. And you have to woo them. Teach them something. Share a funny story. Give them value. Then and only then pitch the sale. Think of it like dating. You don't propose on the first date. Warm them up first. So we're going to send this first email, right? So let's get practical. Your very first email can just look like this. Subject line, welcome. Here's your free coupon. There's already something in it for them. So they're going to click to open, right? Your intro is just, hey, Karen, thanks for joining our list. We're excited to have you here. The value is here's that free appetizer coupon we promised. Just show this email when you visit. And an extra thing you put on there. And since you're here, here's one quick tip to make your dining experience better. Always ask about our off menu specials, right? And then you put in a call to action. Can't wait to see you. Come visit us this week. That's it. Simple, personable, valuable. No giant paragraphs, no confusing design, just one clear action, right? Okay, but now let's learn about automation. It's going to be your new best friend, right? This is where CRMs get magical. Once you set things up, the system does all the heavy lifting. Here's an example, right? Someone signs up for your dog grooming list. Instantly, they get an email. Welcome. Here's your free guide. 2 days later, another email. 3 signs your dog needs a trim. A few days later, here's a coupon for 10% off your first appointment. All of this happens automatically. You're not sitting at your laptop hitting send every time. The system does it while you're working, eating dinner, or crying quietly into your QuickBooks file. Automations keep you in front of your customers without burning you out, right? And then there's like the sidekicks. There's text messaging. Here's a stat. Text messages get a 98% open rate, but you can't go crazy, right? Nobody wants 15 texts a week from their dentist. So use text for short, urgent messages like flash sale today only. Your order is ready for pickup. Reminder, your appointment is at 3 p.m. Think of it like hot sauce. A little adds flavor, too much ruins a meal. Now let's save you from some rookie mistakes. That might happen, right? Buy an email list. Don't do it ever. If they have sold that email to you, they've sold it to 10,000 other people. And that person is basically on the verge of changing their email now. And they're directed everything to spam folder. Avoid all caps subject lines unless you want the spam folder as your new home. Not clearing your list. If people stop opening, remove them. Dead weight drags you down. Avoid overselling. Every email can't be a pitch. Think relationship, not cash grab. And forgetting mobile. Half of your audience is reading on their phone. If it looks bad on mobile, you're toast. Pro tips that actually work, right? That's our next step. Sign up for your own list. See what your customers see. Sign up for your competitors' list. Spy on them. Copy what works, avoid what doesn't. I get all of these, all of my competitors' emails, and some of them are like, man, these are horrible and way too much. But that's just me being mean. So test subject lines. Small changes can make a big difference. We kind of talked about that. Don't make it a boring subject line. Segment your list, right? Dog owners get dog tips. Cat owners get cat tips. Don't cross streams. Like in the MailChimp, you can make a bunch of different lists. So I have potential customers. I have past customers. I have leads that people who signed up recently, like they're all in there and they all get different emails at different times. Some get one email for all of them, but a lot of the times it's all different. Use AI, yes, right? Chat GPT to help you write those subject lines and draft ideas when you're stuck. It is spectacular. So we gotta, how do we grow this, right? Most beginners quit after sending 3 emails. Don't. There's a long-term plan, right? First 30 days, just get started. Send a welcome email, provide some value, keep it simple. First 90 days, start sending consistent emails just once a week, maybe once every other week. Mix value with soft pitches. After first 6 months, experiment with automations. Add one lead magnet. Try a text reminder. After 1,000 subscribers, you start segmenting, test subject lines, run A/B test, connect your email with retargeting ads for advanced growth. Okay, so let's recap, right? Email marketing isn't complicated. It's just misunderstood. Think of like I have Chewy, and it's obviously automated that it knows I'm going to run out of food every 3 months. I need to buy dog food. So it's going to send me that email with a coupon or a reminder 2 to 3 weeks before that food's gone, which is spectacular. And I fall for it every time. I'm like, oh, yep, got to get dog, All right. So it's not complicated. It's just misunderstood. Step 1, know what it is. We know now. Step 2, pick a beginner CRM from the ones I listed. Step 3, build your list with a lead magnet. Doesn't even have to be on your website. It could be handwritten. You could have it out somewhere for people to sign up. Then you just have to manually input it in there. Step 4, write simple, valuable emails. Remember, we're a neighbor. Step 5, automate the basics. Step 6, use text wisely. Step 7, avoid rookie mistakes. So keep going. And step 8, keep growing with segmentation and testing. Do this and you'll turn inboxes into income. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what's your first lead magnet you're going to make for your business. A coupon, a free guide, something else, drop it below. Email marketing isn't about being a tech wizard. It's about being consistent, building trust, and showing up, reminding people you exist. Do that and your emails will become one of your most powerful tools in your business. You've got this.